Here's a really simple guide to collaborating in documents on Pages, Numbers and Keynote. I'm going to open up a document on my iPhone here which is linked to my personal iCloud account. However, I want to be able to share this with my work device as well so I can view it on my iPad. Because the two have different Apple IDs, I can't just share it via iCloud normally. So, in the top right hand corner I'm going to press the little person icon and I'm going to choose to collaborate with my other Apple ID account. You can choose which app or service you want to use to send the link to your document, and you can also choose on this page what sort of access permissions you want to give the recipient. Do you want them to be a view-only user, or do you want them to edit the document as well? You can also choose to send a general link out that anyone can join if you want to, but this isn't quite so secure as anyone could just type in the link and access your document. When you decide how you want to share your link, you're then going to type in the recipient's details. This could be a phone number or email address linked to their Apple ID. From here, I'm then going to send my email to my other Apple account, and on my iPad, when that comes through, I can tap on the URL to open that link. It will then start to load the Pages document that I've shared. It will download it from iCloud, and it will link it to my own iCloud drive. From here, I can then make changes and edit my document. Because it's now collaborative and synced over iCloud, any changes that I make will also show up on different versions as well. For example, keep an eye on the iPhone in the corner when I add the name of the app I'm featuring in this month's Smashing Apps, and you'll see it update almost immediately on the iPhone as well. This collaboration doesn't just work between two devices. In fact, it can support over 100 different accounts all at once. You could work on a whole class document, you could share planning of other teachers across year and phase groups, or you can work on documents with people all around the world. It's really easy to set up and a really effective and secure way of working on the same document together.